going on, YouTube? This is Redneck. So I'll go ahead and come on over here and show you the project we're working on now, or I'm working on. I'm gonna get this old beauty running. Right here is I believe it's a 1989 Ford F250, I believe. And there you go. It's got the 460 big block. It's got the new battery put in here. Last time when we put this in here was about a month ago. She needs a new fuel pump. Look at that beauty. Needs a bath in here. Yeah, she's a F250 XLT Lariat. Engine still runs, just needs a fuel pump. There's 2 tanks, I believe. Yeah. There's some beautiful interior. You know, maybe a little bit of wear right about there. You know, yeah, just a little bit of wear. Other than that, not too bad. Nice back seat. A little piece right there broken. Other than that, you know, a little bit of tarnish here and there. Ain't too bad, you know. You get some new tires, you know. I think she's gonna be a beautiful running truck once we get her going. Yeah, look at that beaut.